Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you increase your photo size without losing quality, how to use upscale media. So this is like AI by pixelbean.io. You can access the upscale media via website via Google Chrome on your phone. Just go to the upscale.media. So you can upscale image with AI for free here. Leverage AI technology to enhance your image quality. So support formats PNG, GPG, GPEG, GPG, WebH. So the ultimate tools image upscaler. So there's individual, professional, and e-commerce here. So this is the feature, like description. So let's start by upload your image here. So processing image, please wait. So this is my image. This is the original and upscaled to twice or four. Process image, please wait. So this is the detail information here. Image resolution by up to 4 times while retaining natural images and without sacrificing quality. And enhanced quality is enhance the image by removing artifacts, balancing sharpness, softness, and preserving the natural aspect. So you can download the image here. You can tap it. So feel free to try upscale your image, picture, photo in upscale.media. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.